Hey guys, hello, hello, hello. How are you? Hello. Okay, let me close the door. I forgot. Yeah, right now I'm going to explain 50% of daily week, of course. You want to tell me? Actually, I did not check stat map levels today, but you want to tell me we got 15-minute inversion for a while ago for manipulation level? Okay. So basically, yesterday, not yesterday, it was, I guess, Monday. I expect to get move also down to previous week low level. So previous week low level still wasn't taken. It's okay. But why would I want to have 50% of daily week on my chart? Guys, I'm going to read the chat in 5 minutes. Okay, so basically we got SMT right here between yes and NQ, where NQ did new low right here, make a new low right here, lower low. It failed right here, higher low, right? So basically, when we have pretty big week, but pretty much small body, usually I would like to consider 50% of this week, of this candle, specifically of this week, as liquidity level. So basically, it's not only psychological level, it's also can be liquidity level. So it's not like regular liquidity level, but it's going to be my conservative target if, for example, I want to look for a short. And it's, by the way, it's also rejection block. And also, as we all know, I guess everyone knows this, rejection block is also part of liquidity, like always. So at this point, we got big week, right? We got rejection block, which is rejection block of this previous week low level, right? So basically 50% is like psychological level and liquidity level. So it's a part of rejection block. Rejection block is a part of liquidity level. I hope it makes sense. That's why I decided to keep 50% of this week on my chart. Other set. Oh, you want too long? Well, don't worry, I did not take any trades today. I'm just happy. Back on 15-minute chart. Honestly, once again, my target since Monday was previous week low level. I expect to get this move down to previous week low level, but as you can see with this news today at 8:30 a.m., we kind of stuck at 50% of the daily week. We kind of stuck at ejection block of this liquidity level, right? So, what I want to say, guys, I noticed that best setups recently, like last 2 weeks, occurs during PM session or between like 11:30 and 1 p.m. So, unfortunately, I cannot find best entry, best setup between 9:30 and 11 a.m. That's fine. But I have alerts. I set these alerts and wait for my setup to offer. And actually, it was not Friday, it was Wednesday, right? I was like, today maybe it's Monday after holiday. So on Wednesday, it was obvious move. Remember what I said? I'm going to wait and ignore every single long setup since equalos is a target. So obviously, maybe it was smart to wait for this move up. And this move up actually offered a move on a yes all the way up to 1 hour OB. So basically, since NQ took this order block, yes failed, this move up, last move up before this huge drop on Wednesday, was also up to this order block on 1 hour chart on ES. Anyway, it was nice move. Expected this move, traded this move. I got more than 140 points on this trade. This trade was offered after 11, right? Yeah, I guess so. Guys, did you see CL today? I woke up, it was like, CL almost 78. Well, it looks like we've done for today. No reason to even analyze this chart. Okay, guys, market is open. Once again, if I want to read my pre-market plan, I said in my pre-market plan, as long as we stay below 50% of this move down right here, I would like to see previous week low level. So ideal at this point to wait not for 1 minute chart, right? Confirmation. It's not smart. But ideal at this point, wait for 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Once again, as long as we stay below 50% of this move down from here all the way down to here, look for short with attempt to, okay, but potential conservative target is going to be pre-market low and then previous week low level. Pre-market low. Kind of, I will feel confident to long only buff New York with that open. Pre-market low. Give you this move. It offered another equal, basically this equal loss if I want to consider bodies. So this week wasn't bad. Did not trade AM session at all, but traded PM and lunch. It was perfect, honestly. Well, if, for example, we entered 5-minute fair value gap, I usually switch on 1-minute chart to find, better entry with better stop loss. Both yes and Q trying to use big break of a gap. Well, you want to tell me gold with stat map also play out today? Okay, pretty big RTH gap on SPX so far. I'm going to highlight this. Open, close and open, okay. RTH gap. How many points we're away from 25%? Let me see. On SPX. 22 points away. Okay, guys. Once again, as long as we stay below 50%, actually green line at the top of my chart, preferably to wait for continuation lower. As I said, ideally, I will be confident to long and Q buff New York midnight open. I don't feel like confident right now to long this market. Oh, on SPX, of course. It's right here. We just balanced all 30H gap right here, which is nice. Actually, we opened and immediately balance this. We balance this one. So yeah, if it wants to continue going higher, for example, with break above 50%, we are 20 points away from 25%. So 25% can be potential point of reversal. But once again, for me, no reason to consider long right now. Simply going to wait. So that's for stat map. I guess I don't need this right now. Trying to expect this 1 minute fair value gap once again. So basically what I can see on 1 minute chart, kind of trying to detect this 1 minute change in the state of delivery. I like that it's trying to hold this level right here. Main question if it really wants to drop 200 points today. I don't know, we will see. Okay, further retest of this fair value gap. Also with this move down, I see on 5 minute chart we tested worst in deviation. Actually, this one. Okay, forgot to highlight this inversion fair value gap on ES. But anyway, if it wants to present the same opportunity on both ES and Q to short, target will be the same. Obviously, previous week low level. Okay, on 15 minute chart, we're trying to respect, I would say 25% of 15 minute bearish fair value gap. Another test of 50% of daily week. I mean, I don't really care about this daily week, honestly. I do care about this level right here. So basically, if it wants to continue going lower, we must have a change in the state of delivery. In my opinion, change in the state of delivery is going to be with closure below the low of this candle. I'm going to delete this once again. I'm not that interested in this 50% anymore. Yeah, perfect reaction actually during pre-market. But previous week low level is a key level. Change in the state of delivery is real OB, order block. If it makes sense. Yeah, ideally, preferably, in my perfect world, I would like to see previous week low level today. Today is Friday, and initially my weekly target was daily bearish fair value gap. I wasn't expected to get such a big move up on Monday. I was like, okay, my weekly objective is bearish daily fair value gap. Maybe you will reach this, on Wednesday or Thursday. But when I was like, I woke up on Monday, I was like, come on, Dasha, now you need to change your weekly objective. And I changed it to previous week low level, so. Once again, ideally if it wants to continue going lower, actually, I don't want to see price higher than 50% of this move down. So basically, I'm sorry, guys, preferably to hold this 50% and look for continuation lower below this level. I cannot see setups right now. We'll trade top step, I guess, today. Yeah, let's trade just one express funded account. Why not? Let me turn off copy right here. How to turn this? Okay, right here. Give me 1 second. I'm not going to copy this trade, just one account. For Friday, why not? So you tested this for a while ago with break above this buy side liquidity. It's not really like buy side liquidity, we just swap nearby stops. I'm not on trade. I just prepare this. Do we have any news at 9:45? Let me check real quick. Any news after? We have medium plug news at 10 a.m. Okay, nothing at 9:45. Okay, nice, amazing, perfect. Oh yeah, actually Forex Factory. I guess every single economic calendar is going to be the same. It's just your preference, what you want to use. I believe. I'm going to find you the link for you right now. Give me 1 second. This is what I use. Second sweep right here. Basically, both tested inversion right here, not only ES. ES also tested this order block. Let me open for our chart real quick. I would like to show you something. Basically, see, when we have equal bodies, but we don't have equal wicks. See this? This is what I was trying to explain like a couple of weeks ago. Actually, this week as well. So basically, we got another equal lows. Let's name this like bodies, right? Look at this. Nothing right here. It's not equal bodies, but look at this. Amazing delivery. So far, minor sweep right here. I would say, yeah, we got some sort of high right here. If it wants to break this high with the test of Friday high, Friday low right here, maybe it will try to take this high right here. But once again, kind of hard for me to look for long higher than 50% right now. No interest, Okay, what is bias for that? Actually, I would like to see previous week low level. Not going to lie. That's a target that I would like to see. Today is Friday, so today. We have monthly equal lows. Can you give me the price, please? I'm going to highlight this. Maybe I have... not really. I have major sell side liquidity right here. Give me the price, please. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. 57.24 on ES. I don't have this level, see? 57.24. Thank you. At this moment, I'm going to look for previous week low level. Everything is possible, so actually, yeah, we can go lower. Hello, hello. I test of this propulsion block right here. Weekly imbalance. Previous week low. Let's try to find conservative levels, right? Previous week low level, we stay with this. That's our target for today. Everything is lower, which is lower, is extra for us, right? Let's highlight this. I have the template. Yeah, I should have template. Okay, perfect. Perfect, amazing. She's long on ES, on NQ and short ES. Now, guys. Exactly. So, no trade. Nothing. Just observing right now. But not going to lie, this reaction from this propulsion block is amazing. Needs to go lower. 62 points away from previous week low level. We took pre-market low on both ES and NQ. Yes, I would say that's fourth or fifth retest of daily breakaway gap. Still not balanced one. Looks like 5-minute chart just offered immediate rebalance. Not really small fair value gap. Minor SMT. So I would say if we may close below this level, should continue going lower. So basically we'll offer order block right here. So idea will be closure, stop loss above pre-market right here. So, and I'm going to highlight standard deviations right now. It's not the target and stop loss. Give me 1 second. So we got 2 and 2.5 standard deviation right here. I would say preferably to retrace back to this range between 1 and 1.5 displacement. Stop loss above this level right here. And target at this point will be right here. So something like this. So basically we're stuck in this range. If NQ may retrace back to this fair value gap, which lines up with 1 and 1.5 standard deviation, offer displacement, we can try to trade this, I guess. Let's see. So let's see how we can respect 2 and 2.5 standard deviation. Let's see. Another option is to create OB right here. So basically closure with the same delivery. Also possible, so I'm not going to say it's not possible. Possible. So at least we need to have change in the state of delivery. Why my error is so ugly? So also possible to see this. Not preferably, not ideal. Ideal something like this. So basically we go into this fair value gap, reaction with displacement, try to short. Where's this? I don't have key icon right here. So let's see. Once again, preferably to go to this range. So basically, if you anticipate to get move lower still, and we stuck at the range between 2 and 2.5, let's see if we may retrace back to this fair value gap. And if it may displace, we can try. So I will adjust my entry point. So I don't know about entry point yet. Or this idea also valid, but not best in terms of risk reward, in my opinion. Minor SMT right here between ES and NQ. We entered this fair value gap finally, but not entered this range between 1 and 1.5. We'll open M and Q right now, my top step. That's my key fair value gap. So basically, yes, we enter this fair value gap. May displace, then it will be a potential opportunity for me. But ideally to enter this range, basically between 1 and 1.5. I call this fair value gap. Basically, I have template for this, right? Yes, you have news in 1 minute, exactly. In 2 seconds, actually. Well. Oh my god. Previous week low taken. Funny, right? It was quick, right? As I said, minor SMT. It wasn't really like minor SMT. It was predictable, at least. At least we weren't bullish, right? Another bullish. I don't have any bullish target anymore. That's it. That's a target, as you can see right here. And yes, next target is going to be bottom of this fair value gap. It was breakaway gap, so basically we need to balance this. SPS just took sell side liquidity level. Nice. So next level on yes. If no reaction from previous month's low is going to be bottom of the daily fair value gap. What else? What else do I have? Give me 1 second. I'm going to check. Oh, I have Western deviation. Perfect. We almost reached this level. It's slightly above bottom of daily fair value gap. So let's highlight this liquidity right here. And nothing on monthly chart. And let's highlight this equal lows right here. Way below for our bullish manipulation level. It's aggressive to look for long right now, at least right now. It's like 130 points away from the next level. And 5 points away and 9 points away from here. Feel like move done, not done yet. If it wants to leave this as a breakaway gap at this move right here, might just try to sweep this, I guess. Let's see how we can trade with this fair value gap right here. Can we balance this immediately or just want to leave this as a breakaway gap? This means we must stay near this high right here. Let's see. Guys, focus right now. We just reached distribution level right here on 4-hour chart. We don't have any activities above 4-hour open, just keep this in mind. I'm going to keep these levels on my chart. See? No manipulation. It's flat candle on every single time frame. So once again, kind of stuck at 4-hour bullish distribution level. This high, if it wants to be broken, can be also changed in the state of delivery in the future. So we will see. This daily breakaway gap still not balanced. Honestly, I feel like we still need to go lower, at least right here. So as you can see, trying to hold this high right here. Yeah, I would say as long as we stay below this level, maybe sweep, we'll fine. I will be fine with this. But as long as we stay below this level, we still can see lower. So it can be breakaway gap. Let's see. So I would say as long as we stay below this level, I will wait for the minor retracement. How many points we are away? Something like this. Maybe. We just took this first standard deviation right here. I don't have targets on ES anymore, honestly. My target was first standard deviation bottom of this fair value gap, so I cannot confirm this short, for example, with ES right now. But we will see, so let's move this a little bit right here. Once again, in my opinion, it's very important if you may stay below this level, this should play out after minor retracement. above this level, I will lose interest in this. So I'm not going to be in a rush. Just will wait. Because we are like 80 points away from major sell side liquidity on ES. Like, I don't have any targets on ES, honestly. Do you have any targets below the bottom of the daily fair value gap? Maybe I'm missing something right now. So we got minor retracement right here. So let's see. Let's see. We have some levels on yes, okay. At least we have something on NQ, not on ES. Yes, I might try to dispect for standard deviation. You said we have. Oh yeah, we have breakaway gap on ES right here. And would like to highlight this. Back on 1 minute chart right now. So basically we have breakaway gap, we have what to call this, like old sell side liquidity. Why I'm going to keep this level on my chart, since we simply swept this level, nothing happened more. Like we did not close below this level, still, I would say still valid potential support. So we simply swept this high right here. It's very important right now. If we may stay below this level and displays, it should play out. Otherwise, we will feel this potential breakaway gap. Let's see. It's not flat candle right here. At this moment, kind of hard to say if we may go all the way up to this far open. Not, I don't know yet. We will see. So far we simply swept this high right here. It's not liquidity level, simply high of this candle. Oops. If you may stay below this level, it should play out. Otherwise, what level I would like to see? We have nearby stops right here. What else? What else do we have right here? We have this rejection block, small rejection block. What else? Nothing, right? Pretty much balanced part right here. Only this breakaway gap, I would say. No, I'm not in trade, guys. As I said, if we may stay below this level and displays, never happened. No trades. It's just the plan, so let's see. I would say if we made it trace back below this high right here, it's still valid. So I'm going to keep this on my chart to not forget where I want to enter. We'll do like this first at conservative target and psychological level. Let's see. So once again, ideally, if I want to see continuation lower, I will look below this high right here. So basically below this red line, we may break below this level once again. It should play out. Otherwise, we have these buy stops right here, and it's pretty much balanced right here. Next target or next key level is going to be this orange line for our open. So like this, then like this, if it wants to continue going higher. In my opinion, short will be valid only below this level. So once again, if we may displace below this level, otherwise no reason to even take this trade right here. Look at this reaction from forcing a deviation. We have this purple box on ES, which is for our breakaway gap. Per hour. It's minor inversion right here. We have 15-minute volume imbalance. What's the price? Right here, I would like to highlight 50% of this fair value gap. I don't need 25, so basically it will look like this. I still would like to keep this level on my chart right here. So that idea will be valid. Maybe we will find even better entry at this point. We will see. So we just have this buy stops right here. Guys, you lost your fund in October or September. I lost my 20 funded accounts. Like, I honestly felt good about this. I was like, finally, this happened for 2 years. Look at this life with smile, guys. I was with those accounts for 2 years, then I lost this for 1 week. Like every single day was losing trade. Every single day. So, I mean, okay, happens. Okay. Happens. I mean, nothing wrong with this, right? I'm going to trade not epics today. If I want to execute, I will execute on top step. Just one account, one express funded account. Yes, so far I took 0 IM session trades this week, 0. But actually I traded every single day during PM or lunch. Okay, guys, I'm not going to say that's right to do or that's good to do, but I passed my 15. Actually, I have 20 accounts, but I passed 5 first. Then I traded them. Then I passed another 15. I don't need to be proud about this, right? I passed this for 5 seconds. You don't need to do this. It just was fast trade. 5 seconds, maybe even less. 5 seconds to pass 15 accounts. I just entered the trade with how many minutes? I don't remember. That was fast. I was like, it was fast. But once again, guys, you don't need to do this. That's not like actually right to do, I guess. But if you don't want to spend time on this, I mean, I was like, okay, 1 day to pass. I don't want to pass this like for a couple of weeks. I will just, 5 seconds? I just entered the trade and it immediately went in my favor. Immediately. I never was in drawdown, like never, ever. Yeah, I did copy them. Yeah, it was fast. It was funny. It was funny. Okay. I don't have any strategy for evaluations. I don't recommend to do like I did. Nothing good in this, trust me. SPX just they took 50% of very old gap from November 6. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay. Oh, actually, that's not balanced. So yeah, I see this. Okay. So you guys, I'm just trying to highlight some levels on SPX chart. So basically, closure this candle and open. Yeah, by the way, trying to respect 50% of this RTH gap. A little bit below this level. Okay. Also, SPX took sell stops, right? Let me show you. That's very old RTH gap. Once again, it's from November 6th, right? So basically trying to respect 50%. And this 50% lines up with sell stops right here. Funny to see, this reaction was not only from 50% of this RTH gap, but on ES it was reaction from forced standard deviation. Actually, solid reaction. If to trade options on SPX. Guys, I'm going to record the video about what strategy I use to not blow my accounts. I already prepared this presentation. So-called strategy. Because I blew my funded accounts for almost 3 years of trading with prop firms just once. I was with my funded accounts for 2 years, more than 2 years. I guess that's solid. But trust me, you will like it. Because you will, I guess you never thought about this. I'm not live funded on Topstep. I started trading them like recently. So yeah, I had 20 PE accounts for I would say, yeah, 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. I don't remember exact day when I got funded with them exactly. But guys, I was almost 2 years with them, so I guess it's solid. So the hardest month, in my opinion, was October. This is when I actually blew my account. Delayed manipulation right here. Once again, guys, if you try to pass your evaluations quickly, you will blow your funded account quickly. Just trust me. So, guys, let's see how we can hold this fair value gap. So I put potential entry below this bullish manipulation level. So this means if they want to retrace that low, somewhere right here, they didn't really want to offer delayed manipulation. I'm sorry, guys. Something like this. Let's see. Focus, guys. Focus. No, I'm not going to answer questions right now. Did not even balance this daily fair value gap. Focus. Patience right now. It will pay, trust me. So this orange line is 4-hour open, which doesn't have manipulation, right? Let's see. No shorts as long as you stay above bullish manipulation level, above this pink line. Pretty much equal highs. By the way, guys, while we are waiting, next week I'm going to give away 3 Apex evaluation accounts. So if you, for example, want, you can choose any size of account. If you want to choose trader weight, that's nice. If you want to choose Rhythmic, that's nice. If you want to choose 300k accounts, that's nice. If you want to pick 50k accounts, that's nice. So I'm going to give away 3 evaluations. Any size of your, okay, you will choose, okay? That's going to be next week. You will just let me know what you would like to choose. Any size that you would like. MyFundedFutures was 2 days ago. Yeah, of course you can. Yeah, of course. Send me a message on Instagram. Yeah. Okay, Apex never ever rejected my payout. Never ever. Never ever. Tradify, I will think about this. Look at ES. ES still below this level right here. I simply follow the rules, I guess. I mean, I'm not going to argue, guys. I don't know. Like, I was like, I follow the rules. I'm fine. Are you in? No, I'm going to let you know. Below this level. I will let you know below this level. TJF, by the way, I forgot about TJF. Completely forget about this. Hello, Michael. We're doing great, actually. We are looking for previous week low today, taken. With idea to short from this fair value gap. We got minor SMT. So basically short was to previous week low level with forced standard deviation as final target. That was the idea. So another idea will be, in my opinion, if you may break below 50% of this fair value gap once again. That will be my next idea for new low of the day. Looking on yes, I would like to see the test of fire open on yes. Basically, as you can see, we don't have manipulation. And these blue boxes is TJF boxes. That's a plan. So far, looks like NQ entered 15-minute bearish fair value gap. ES also tested this fair value gap just now. So 50% of opening range hit. Okay, nice. So if it wants to drop both yes and Q from TJF, I will look for the move lower below 50% of this inversion fair value gap. So basically, it will be my idea right here. As long as we're above, makes sense to take for our open on ES and potentially 20% of victory range. So basically TJF, right? But honestly, this drop was faster than this move up. Thank you. Thank you, Michael. So this week I did not take any AM session trades. I only traded lunch and PM session. Just I felt like this, so yeah, live daily will not be live on Monday, but will be live on Tuesday. Let's delete this middle line. I don't need this. Yeah, usually I use Ninja Trader, exactly right. But today I would like to trade Upstep, just because I need to have trading days with them. Yeah, actually, guys, we are going to backtest some. We're still going to have backtest session where we are going to backtest these 4 ranges, which is crazy, right? So basically, we got 2-minute inversion once again. It wasn't. I would say it wasn't perfect 2-minute inversion right here, but that's not coincident anymore. Agree, guys? It's not coincident anymore. Because after backtest session, I feel like I will get an account just simply to execute this setup, just for this setup. MyFundedFutures? Yeah. I will try to get MyFundedFutures account just to simply execute one setup for this. What do you think about this? I guess that's a nice idea, just for one setup. MyFundedFutures running sale right now, so I guess I will try this. In queue, only in queue. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Bye bye. We are going to execute only 4 levels. I don't want to get epics. I have funded with them. I'm funded with them. Let's get MyFundedFutures. They are running sale as well. For our stat map. So basically, I will get starter plus account, 50K. And after backtest session, let's try to just have this account for this setup. So basically, we are going to execute AM session after 10 a.m. basically, and after 2 p.m. So basically, we are going to have 2 setups a day. Yeah, let's do this. What I wanted to write right here. Short between 4-hour manipulation and 4-hour open. Okay, ES just took this 4-hour open, which is nice. 2 long between 4-hour That's basically British manipulation. Bullish manipulation. And 4-hour open. Apex is only 90% off? I don't know. Aim. No. A target always will be a 4-hour open. Partial. And opposite manipulation. Entry. We will talk about stop loss, so we are going to backtest. I don't know if Apex running 90%. I don't know, guys. I did not receive any emails. Entry is 2 or 5 minute inversion. Here we go. Yeah, I'm left-handed, yeah. This blue box is TJF box for yes. Very few retracements right here. So basically we got equal lows right here. Guys, it's going to be live session. So yeah, of course it's going to be recorded on YouTube. Why I don't want to record a video? Why I would like to have backtest session, live? Because in my opinion, you can ask questions. I'm not going to say it's going to be like every single day winning trade. I don't know. We are going to backtest. I'm not going to lie. I don't have enough backtest data. I just prefer to forward test. But we are going to backtest, especially we are going to backtest 4-hour levels. So MyFundedFutures is running a sale until the end of this month. So I'm going to get accounts with them with this sale. So it's 20% for existing users and 40% for new users. I will get with them. So I don't need Apex accounts anymore, I guess. I have 2 evaluations with 0 balanced. I'm going to try miss my MyFundedFutures or take profit trader. MyFundedFutures, take profit trader. Who is better? I don't know. Who is better? Okay, so far perfect rejection from this 4-hour open and 25% of this weekly range. Okay, guys, same idea. Let's see. Below this level, same idea. Let's see. I would say first signal for me will be break. Oh my god, my line is not perfect right here. Break below level right here. Focus, guys. We will talk about live session in couple of minutes, maybe in 10 minutes. Let's see. It's 10:50 macro started right here. Yeah, when I blew my 20p accounts in October, September, I don't remember the day and month when it was. I blew my MyFundedFutures expert accounts as well because I copy them. Happens. Well, I will get this one on sale. Okay, guys, focus. Now is focus. I'm going to trade 8 micros. First signal is break below right here. Trying to respect 15-minute fair value gap on both ES and NQ. Let's see. Idea is about to play out. Let's see. Looking for long. Long, short, guys, not long, short. Looking for short to aim for new low of the day. Looking entry. This idea will be valid. We'll trade 8 micros. Let's see. How big stop loss at this point? Acceptable to trade with 8 micros. Looking for entry. Patience right now, patience, okay? Displays below this level, that's a great sign. Now just break below 50% of this inversion. That will be so nice. That will be so nice. This target right here. Let me check fractal model. No. Okay, guys, focus. Nothing on fractal model. This idea is my trade idea at this point. Break below 50%. So once we can break below this level, should play out. Let's see. No break yet. We look for the entry below this level. So that's my trade idea, ideally. I don't know about stop loss yet. I'm not in to consider stop loss. So it will be around like 15 points, I believe. So I will adjust it. I don't know. So I need to see swing. I don't know yet. So we tested this fair value gap, this market structure. SPX trying to respect 25% of very old RTH gap. That's my idea, below 50% only. Yeah, stop loss will be, I hope it's going to be less than 20 points. Let's see how big swing will be right here, or order block, I don't know. So we just entered this fair value gap. So with just one candle, but it can be order block. Focus, guys, right now. That's all I want to say. I like that ES and NQ trying to respect 15-minute bearish fair value gap so far. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. So far, we got the test of breaker block. Okay, I'm trying to be patient. That's my trade idea right here. I hope to get this. We got another attempt to close right here. I'm not going to use limit order. I'm going to use market order. Once I see displacement, I will jump. Simply jump this trade. You trend with me? Okay, let's see. Let's see. So basically, I'm going to answer while we are waiting. We got 4 open right here and right here with no manipulation candle, right? On every single time frame. So basically, we anticipated to get delayed manipulation. That's why. And NQ also took this TJF box right here. NQ, can you just finally break this displacement? I will enter this trade and aim for a rejection block right here. That's all I ask. I mean, I'm not asking a lot. Just this, please. Trying to displace, that's what I like right here. Stop loss, I hope it's going to be around 15 points for me. Displaced. It's fine for my entry right here. Yeah. Trying to detest right here, which is nice. Let's highlight 50% of this wick right here, which lines up with our potential entry. And how big stop loss at this point? I can even make it a little bit bigger amount of contracts. It will be bullish. Let's see. We will see. So I don't know. So if it's trying to hold 50% of this wick right here, I hope, yeah. If I want to enter right here with stop loss above these highs, it's 15 points. 15 points. Let me see my table for a contract right here. Yeah, I guess I can afford to trade more than 10 micros, 11 micros. I guess so. Yeah. If I want to risk $350 with stop loss around 15 points, I can trade 11 micros. Yeah. Even more if stop loss is less. Should play out. So that's first bad year for us. Support. Okay, guys, I'm in this trade. So that's first support right here. My stop loss is around like 8 points. That's why I entered with 14 micros. I can afford based on my table. We got equal lows right here, so I can use 2 micros off at this point. Up 50 points. I guess I don't want to lose at this trade. So basically conservative targets at this at these equal lows. If I want to consider bodies. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. We never know. So far, just luck a little bit more than $250. Based on my table, I can afford to trade 14 micros with stop loss 8 points. By the way, it was 8 points. Look at this. It's like low, extremely low risk trade. I'm going to leave stop loss right here. No reason to move this. And my next target is going to be, once again, equal lows if I want to consider bodies. So far, just trying to detect this level. And let's see. not going to move stop loss. If it's going to be a break-even, I don't care. I mean, I follow my plan. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I follow at least this plan. Let me start journaling while I'm waiting. While we are all waiting right here. Well, what's the day today? That's for plans that I forgot to write right here. Okay, plan and journal. Let's start journaling. Okay, ideas. I will start from here while we are waiting. No update, so still same targets, still same levels. Yeah, guys, like for target profit, at least for the next partial. Yeah, I took partial already, right here, at this level, right here. Next day, oh, by the way, I took partial where we are right now, right? You can take as well. Next, what I wanted to write right here is you managed to stay below 50%. Below 50% of the leg down. NVP. And offered 5 minutes changing the state of delivery. Oh, I have 12 micros. Actually, I can take more. I forgot. I was with 8 micros still. That was a confirmation. Let me take. No, I'm not going. I forgot I am with 14 micros. Okay. Okay. That was a short signal. To trade. To trade this move to previous week low level. After both. Yes, and then Q. Failed to offer. We are journaling right now. Smart money reversal. I'm just like old school, pencil and piece of paper to journal. And 5-minute chart. What else? 5-minute chart. Dropping. What level did we took? Okay, forced in a deviation. Yes. And what is this level? Oh, it's 50% off for our fair value gap. I don't remember. Let me check. I guess so. Yeah, 50%. And NQ took 50% off for our break the gap. Gamma, it reversed. What level did, reversed and offered? Classic TGIF. Classic TGIF on NQ. After this, it's like essay, you know. It's like essay right now. Come on, what's wrong with you? Just take it. Thank you. I'm tired to ask. Just take it. PNL. Realized PNL $1,700. Yeah. I'm tired to ask. Come on, just take it. After this. Is my target is right? Yeah, exactly. Rejection. Guys, my targets that my partial targets is conservative targets at just one express funded account. My targets conservative targets at equal bodies. Right here, and so on. After this, we saw a rejection and one minute inversion for volume gap and okay, where was my initial entry? Yeah, not bad. One minute. Changing the state of delay. Partial pace. Trust me. Like, by the way, funny to see how every single my partial offered retracement or at least reaction. That's funny, right? Oh, you cannot see that's my final target. Hi, team. We plan this trade, we trade the plan, right? As always, this is all we must do. Short below 50% of that was 1 minute. Yeah, of 1 minute inversion for value gap that was formed. What time? 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. Okay. This final target at new lows a day, probably. Yeah. Maybe last target, final target, new lows a day. Or, in my opinion, you cannot see this. I put final target at this also equal bodies. My partials moving market. Exactly right. Look at this. So far we stuck. First time we stuck at my first partial. Second time we stuck at my second partial. 10 a.m. Final TP is, I told you guys, best setups after 11 a.m. I don't know how it works. It's so annoying, but still. Final target is new low of the day. Let's see. It's just for fun. I would not recommend to enter short anymore. It's too low to short. I mean, depends on your risk, I would say. Maybe not smart to enter the trade again. I would not enter the trade. If I miss this trade, I miss this trade. Yeah, just don't recommend. Even my pre-market plan play out today. Actually nice. Let's see. I'm just going to duplicate my pre-market plan while we are waiting. Guys, any other questions? If no questions, I'm going to just write notes. You want to add a new winning trade in discount? Are you sure you want to do this? You really want to do this? It's like, it's necessary. Not really, right? Blue box is TGF. No, it's just, it's just journal. That's pretty much it, journal. And I'm going to just duplicate my pre-market plan. This is why it's important. Like, we plan the trade. Oh my God, we plan the trade, we trade the plan. Like always. Okay, if your stop loss in profit and you're going to add to winning trade, your stop loss is going to be not in profit anymore. Your average is going to move lower. Right? You really want to do this? Be happy with your trade, just trust me. You don't need this. Okay, while we're waiting, I'm not 1700, it's 1100 on my realized panel. I'm going to copy my pre-market plan from Discord while we are waiting. Preferably. Yeah, but look at 15-minute chart. If you just open 15-minute chart, we're trying to expect 15-minute change in the state of delivery, as well as fair value gap. At least an attempt to try to make a new low of the day. Not bad. I would say, yeah. How to, not hard to journal. Just, your thought process. For example, based on my pre-market, I wrote, NQ managed to stay below 50% of the leg down that was offered when we got NFP news. Perfect. What this means? So based on my pre-market plan, I wanted to see what? I wanted to see which holding below 50%. It's trying to form 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Actually, it did that. Then it's short signal for me to aim for previous week low level. This happened. So after this, it failed to offer smart money reversal. Instead, continue going lower to the 50% of 4-hour breakaway gap. This is what I wrote right here. And then it offered 2-minute inversion for value gap based on 4-hour levels. And yeah, basically offered retracement up to TGF box, this blue box, TGF 20%. Then rejected when ES took 4-hour open, basically offered delayed manipulation, right? And now we can also be tested 15-minute order block, 15-minute bearish fair value gap. On ES, it tested 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So right now, it was the reason why I decided to short. And now I took lots of partials, 2 partials already, which helped me to lock good profit for today, just on one Express funded account. And going to my final target, which new low of the day based on, okay, we got 15-minute PD ray, which is high time frame level, right? So basically we anticipate to get what? 1 minute smart money reversal, 1 minute market maker model. So in my opinion, it may offer second stage of redistribution with time distortion. Right now, everything is possible. And targeted market maker sell model is going to be new low of the day. Easy, right? Easy. Continue. You don't need to journal, like, you don't need to write essay, right? So just what happened, why you took this trade, even if it's losing trade, why you took this trade. Nothing changed. Okay, I stopped on pricing my pre-market plan. I'm going to just duplicate this from my Discord. Of this blue box, no, I would not take this trade. Okay, we're waiting, guys. I'm going to continue writing my pre-market plan. Just because after Steam, I will be lazy to write this. I need to write this. Great manipulation. Above previous day high level. What next? Okay, also offered 15 minute ideal distribution. Right along. Which platform do you recommend? I would say it's up to you. You need to check everything. I mean, you need to try to every single prop firm that you would like to try and pick that you like, one that you like. I cannot say like first, guys. Apex works for me. Top Step works for me. For some people, it doesn't work for other people. So I'm not going to recommend. So I don't know which platform will work for you. Right below and 50% of daily week. What happened after we took this level? Give me 1 second. Oh, okay. As long as some people enjoy taking taking trades on Top Step X. I mean, I like more Ninja Trader because I used to trade with them. So just like them. By the way, guys, look at this. Let me change the color because it can be confusing right here. Look right here. How we respected 50% of this big wick right here. That's why I took this trade, actually. Main reason. I mean, you know, I told you this before. As long as in Q states. I want to short. I want to short and aim for previous week low level. Week low level. That's the plan. Short plan. Oops. Excel is best for journal. I mean, yeah, it's up to you what you would like to pick. Initially, I write my pre-market plan on just using Google Docs. Then I copy this to Discord, and then I copy this to my notebook. So I entered higher, somewhere right here. I just added a couple of contracts lower. That's why it moved my entry lower. So my initial entry was where it was. Right here, somewhere right here. I don't remember where. Higher, like 15 points higher from current entry. Because I took partials, so I took 50% off already. That's why my realized profit is $1,100. I took just one trade today. Oh, by the way, guys, if you're wondering about contract size, freezes. If you're wondering about contract size, I posted a chart table on my Twitter page, how to pick right amount of contracts. Where's my paper? No idea. It was right here. But you got an idea, so go on my Twitter page and you will find it. It's 50K account. Oh, that's because I don't have my crystal ball right here. Where's my crystal ball? Give me 1 second. It's right here. I found it. Our crystal ball. It's not with us today. I forgot to put this in front of my eyes today. Can you cannot explain your age? I mean, I'm not 18. I'm not 20. How many people told me I'm 18? I'm not 18. Trust me. I'm not 21. Trust me. So we have crystal ball. Let's all guys ask market makers to continue going lower at least to our TP. And I guess it's heavy, guys. We need, even if it wants to stop me out right, I don't really care right now. We need to put lots of magnets. Guys, which color do we need to pick? Who remember which color it should be? It must be rainbow color. Otherwise, it's not going to work. I check, guys. Just trust me. It must be rainbow colors. Otherwise, no reason to even try to use a strategy. That's secret strategy, guys, which has 101% win rate. Once you got this kind of magnets on your chart, no, let's make it a little bit darker. It's going to deliver us to this level eventually. Maybe not like immediately, but eventually. Let's pick this green color and purple. It will deliver us to these levels. Now, just wait. Just wait. I promise, guys, eventually, maybe not today, but it's going to deliver us to power of magnets. We never know, right? It works? Okay. See the speed? That's because of my magnets. Trust me, if you don't have rainbow magnets, you don't know how to trade. See the speed? It's because of my magnets. Why this color? Is because that's 101% win rate. Otherwise, trust me. No reason to even trade if you don't have rainbow magnets. It's free. It's like free indicator with 101% win rate. Try this. Just try this. Yeah, exactly. 101% win rate. It's even more than 100 win rate. It's like This means it will hit like always. Maybe like not immediately, but eventually we will hit this level. Yeah, more than 100%, exactly. Oh, this blue box is it's based on quarterly TD, so not a lot of people love this. So basically, quarter 2 is quarter 4, right here, 90 quarter 4, 90-minute quarter 4. So microcycle quarter 4 right here, microcycle quarter 2 right here, usually reversal quarter. I always forget this. That's why I decided to create an indicator with this time right here, because I always forget this. So you can highlight actually time on your chart, 10:53. Oh, let me actually do this. So 10:53 and 11:15, most of the time will be reversal. Reversal. Or at least deep retracement. I put my, I need to double them? Let's do this. Let's do this. More. I said more. We triple them. It should deliver. Like, no way, it's not going to deliver us. Double speed means, yeah. It's power of magnets. Otherwise, market, you are going to be broken if you're not going to deliver us to our triple magnets. Any targets on ES? Of course. So your first target is going to be this bottom of fair value gap, 58.49. 58.49. And then your next target is going to be 58.42. Guys, see the speed? I told you. Let's move this right here. I told you. Triple speed, exactly. Otherwise, I said, guys, otherwise, I'm not sure if I want to put some off at this 1 minute OB. No, we don't want. We don't want to do this, right? I told you guys, I cannot like trade AM session, but after 11, recently, especially last 2 weeks, it's so nice. And Q, can you see my speed? I mean, my magnets right here. Where is the speed? You were like 30 points away. Just offer the speed. Anyway, I'm going to put stop loss right here. I just want to go already. I want to be like free for today. Just please. Do this for me. I'm not asking a lot. See, I put my target even like it's not even low of the day. It's conservative target. What is your problem? What is your problem? I'm going to use this. I leave my stop loss right here. I just want to go already. You know, guys, I hate to sit and trade more than 10 minutes. It's like always annoying. I saw, yesterday I saw, I guess it was on Instagram when the guy said he entered the trade and then like went to kitchen, decided to sleep. I was like, how? I mean, if it was me, I was like, I was checking my phone every 2 minutes. How is it possible? Not every 2 minutes, every 30 seconds. It's like, it's impossible. So that's why I hate to sit and trade more than 10 minutes. But if you decide to, okay, I am going to let it go and just, okay, I'm going to go to kitchen right now. Come on. Of course, I'm going to check this chart every 30 seconds. It's impossible. But when I sit in front of my screen, I mean, like, I mentally can manage this, And you, power of magnets, we tired to ask. I want to go. Please. It's Russian accent. It's Russian accent, guys. Don't play games right now. Just offer the speed. No reason to retrace anymore. I mean, of course, there is a reason because of my stop loss, but it's not like a real reason. Just trust me. Just count to 10. Yeah, guys, let's in the chat quickly. POM, power of magnets. It's going to deliver faster. POM, faster. We need the speed. Just 3 letters. POM. It will deliver us to our TP. I'm just tired to wait. If it's going to work, guys, we are going to make this like tradition. Crystal ball is in front of my eyes. Like, see this? And you cannot see this, but it's going to be right here. Come on, NQ, just final TP. I want to go. Let me enjoy my life. I don't want to see it right here. You know, guys, I guess we need to find the person in the chat who is going to say, it's going to up right now, I'm long. Then it's going to drop like 100%. Guys, who is long? Just tell us. You're long. Okay, we are going to drop. Thank you. Thank you for letting us know. She can go along. Then it's going to drop. Like, no way. Waterfall, yeah. Come on, free fall right now. Just right here. No, by the way, guys, never, ever, if you wait for TP, never say like, here we go. It's a reversal signal. Just wait. You can write like POM in the chat. It's going to work. You can like ask someone who is long right now. It's going to work. But never say, here we go. Never, ever. Someone in the chat just said that. I want to go. Just let me go. At the 50% of the small consolidation. Just let me go. That's because of our triple magnets, but come on. Feel the TP, feel my TP right now. Like right now. I want to go. It's How many points it's away? Like less than 10 points. Let's keep trailing. Are you serious? PM in the chat. Faster, guys. That's because of our speed. We did this. I told you it's 101% win rate. I told you. W in the chat. Yeah, we did. We did it. Okay. We called 120 points trade. We planned this trade. We trade the plan. Look at this. Where we trying to trade. I told you my partial and my final targets always like reaction. It's Top Step X platform. 101% win rate with power of magnets, guys. That's free strategy. That's our secret strategy. Don't share, don't resell the strategy. It must be how many? 6 magnets with rainbow color. Don't mix colors, just these colors. Don't resell this. It's expensive information, guys. But once you put these magnets on your chart, rainbow colors, yeah, it's going to work. Can you teach your strategy? It's not, it's not the strategy. How to call this? I don't know. Dasha is trolling hard, but trust me, we will find the person who will trust me. Guys, it's all jokes, obviously. Can you make a video about power of magnets? Guys, someone will resell this information then. Lots of people is going to find out about this strategy. No, we cannot. Guys, okay. Actually, strategy is cheap. You must get this crystal. It's going to be heavy, just keep this in mind. But you must get this crystal ball on Amazon for $30. You can find cheaper version right there, or you can go on to AliExpress and find even cheaper version than this. It's like $30 on Amazon. It's heavy, like not worth it. Hard to hold this. Then you need to get subscription on TradingView. Oh my god. Look at my reversal. Market makers watching our live stream. All I want to say. Okay, then you need to get subscription on TradingView. Go to icons and you need to find this tool. Only this tool, that's all you need. You don't need any random lines or something like this, just this one. You can change the color. Make rainbow colors. That's it. This trade was 8R. With my stop loss, even 8 points. 9R. Power of... Yeah, power of magnets is going to work for every single strategy, for every single concept. I just trust me, I check this. Crystal ball trader, yeah. Yeah. Look at this reversal, exactly from my TP. Every single reaction when we was in our short trade was from my targets. What is this 50%? 50% of 4-hour breakaway gap. It's old breakaway gap. Just go to the left, you will find it. I'm done. That's it. That's enough for me. I'm up 2,700 on just one account. I was like, I'm not going to copy accounts today. Just let's try with one. And once again, guys, how I decide to pick amount of contracts, I created a table with, which calculates amount of contract for stop loss. But I cannot find this. Where did I put it? Oh, right, I found it. It was in the middle of this. I'm going to show you. Give me 1 second. It was somewhere right here. Found it. So basically, I share this table on my Twitter page. This kind of table. I just print this. So basically, it calculates potential amount of points, micros or minis, potential amount of contracts, not points, based on stop loss. For example, I did this for NQ and ES, but actually, here's a formula right here. You can calculate your own risk. So go on my Twitter page. You can download this as well. So basically, what I can see right here, for example, of course, you can include commissions if you want to make it be a little bit more accurate with your contracts. But let's say today, I had stop loss. It was 8 points. So basically, let's say 10-point stop loss. If I want to risk $350 per trade, so basically your risk for the day or for the trade, $350. Let's say this means I can trade 17 micros based on this formula. But if my stop loss with the same risk, $350 is, let's say, 25 points. At this point, obviously, I cannot trade 17 micros, right? But what I can trade, 25 points. How many contracts I can trade? 7 micros. So this really helps me to manage the risk. So I'm going to risk exactly the same amount of money. So for example, $350. But I'm going to trade different amount of contracts and that's it. So if you want to download this kind of table, just go on my Twitter and you will find this table. Download this. Then print this. Just put this in front of your eyes. Yeah, of course. Let's do this. Oh, guys, my bad. It's not 4-hour breakaway gap. My bad, guys. That's week right here. My bad. I forgot. So basically, this week right here is 4-hour week. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. That's 4-hour week right here. That's it. My reversal. I mean, my target was, I cannot say it was amazing. It was really amazing. Look at this reversal from my TP. I mean, what? It's because of, I mean, conservative target, guys. Look at these equal bodies right here. If you want to have stop loss, I mean, to have safe target profit and stop loss, just use these targets. I mean, should we should we go long on my exit? I mean, I didn't know. Okay, guys. I guess you're free to go. I'm going to record the video about how to not blow accounts. It's going to be interesting video. I'm going to share this strategy, so-called strategy, how to not blow accounts. It's going to be short. I promise it's not going to be 40-minute video. I promise. Okay, guys. Sometimes you don't need to. Okay, at this point, why I expect to get this move down? Actually, I saw move not completed. So basically, we got TJF. That's amazing. And at this point, actually, we planned this trade before this move up, right? So basically, I saw this huge liquidity void right here. And in my opinion, as long as we're above 50% of this, it was inversion for your value gap. That's still bullish sign for me. Yeah, we can continue going higher. For example, to take... Oh, okay. To take, for example, 20% of weekly range on ES. But what I saw right here, we broke below this level. What I said right here, who remember? I said we got wicks right here. We don't want to count this. We don't have displacement. But once we can displace below 50% of this liquidity void, it can be invalidation. So perfect invalidation right here. Then we highlighted 50% of this week, and I said I'm going to look for entry right here with stop loss above this high right here. Who remember? Actually, we discussed this. And target was right here from the very beginning. So we planned this trade before even this move up. Okay, guys, can I go? Any other questions? Can I go? Next video is going to be about how to not blow accounts. I'm definitely done for today. I'm going to enjoy my Friday. So, day without kids. Tomorrow is going to be hard. Guys, if you watch me for a long time, you know I don't trade in fair value gaps. It's just like, it doesn't, I mean, of course it's absolutely powerful tool, but I cannot trade fair value gaps for some magical reason. I cannot execute on them. I don't know why, but I'm perfect at executing at order blocks. If no more questions, guys, I hope you got some good profit on Friday. And we'll see you next week. Actually, target wasn't 50%. Target was this equal loss. So, guys, I highly recommend you. It's not financial advice, but once again, if you're looking for conservative target, especially if you're trading with micros, pay attention to bodies. Remember what ICT said? Bodies tell the story, wicks do the damage, right? So basically, right here, I saw equal bodies, right? So obviously not equal wicks. I cannot say equal lows with these wicks, but look at these bodies right here. Amazing. Can I say that's equal lows? I would say yes. Equal lows, not liquidity level. So at this point, I took partial right here because of this equal lows. My next partial was right here. See these bodies right here? Once again, equal bodies, not equal wicks. So another target right here. And final target was exactly the same. So basically equal bodies, final target. Once again, it's not liquidity level, but I usually call this like conservative target. And this saved me a lot, honestly, in the past. So lots of times I see rejection from this kind of bodies, but not from liquidity levels, but still it's part of liquidity level. So I'd rather like to miss 10 more points than it's going to come back to my break even. So if you can take part of this equal bodies, equal lows, which is bodies, take it. It's not financial advice, but my friendly recommendation because it will save you a lot in the future, just from my experience. We still can go lower. I'm not going to say like it's not possible to see lower. It's possible to see lower. But once again, I prefer to be in safe trade with conservative targets. Okay, order blocks. Absolutely great question. For my entry, I prefer to have 1 minute OB. Do you trade crypto? Not really. I mean, I'm a long-term trader. Yeah. Look at this life with smile, as always. I entered... What time it was, guys? But it was somewhere 10:57, 10:58. It was right here. Yeah, actually, I need to create PDF with some tips and tricks, right? It's not like lesson, it's just like tips and tricks, honestly. Okay, guys, I will tell you like one thing for today. If you will buy the course that costs, I don't know, like 10K, you're not going to be profitable. If you're going to buy, mentorship, like 5 months mentorship, it's going to be like perfect lessons, structure lessons, you're not going to be profitable. If you're going to buy my book, you're not going to be profitable. No one will help you to build your future, only you. every single trader has different path, right? So no, if you're going to join any mentorships, buy any courses, it will not help you. Unfortunately. Okay, let me send the link. Nothing will help you, but only you. Just keep in mind, every single strategy in this world, trading strategy, is working. Every single strategy. If you just simply want to trade support and resistance, it's going to work. Here's a link for a table. I will not make you profitable. Even ICT will not make you profitable. Only you. Your effort, your time. I don't know how. I'm going to record a perfect video about risk management, about how to not blow accounts, and you will understand what I mean, actually. The trading is exactly the same. It's your job, so basic. Oh, okay, I'm going to record the video, so I'm not going to discuss this right here. Yeah, yesterday I saw the table of best 25 traders on Top-Step, right? Look at the risk management. The very first place, I don't remember who it was. It was less than 30% win rate, but this guy's first. Do you think he really cares about strategy? Not really. But with 30% win rate, he's first. This means he can have lots of losing trades, but his winning trade will cover his losing trades. This is what we call risk management. I don't know who it was. I don't know. You can be a scalper, just trade from one key level to another key level. No one is going to blame you for this, right? So you can just scalp for 10 points every single day, but it's fine. Nothing wrong with this, right? Okay, here's the link for this guide. It's not guide, it's just table. It's from my Twitter. Sorry, guys, I cannot say like from my ex. It's from Twitter. Okay, guys, please to go. We have birthday party today, and I need to go to Target to get some gifts. So because my kids doesn't need to see this, so I need to get the gift for the little boy before I go to take care to pick my kids. I hope I was helpful for you guys. I'm in the US. I will see you on Tuesday. I hope Tuesday is not going to be bank holiday. And yeah, I hope next week is going to be backtest session, guys. Once again, it's not my strategy. We are going to backtest the new strategy. I don't know how it's going to work. How it will work for us, but pretty sure it's going to be solid. So we will try to build the strategy based on levels. We are going to backtest this, and I'm going to get MyFundedFutures account to simply execute this strategy. No matter what will happen, we are going to execute this strategy. We will see. We need to collect more data to say if it's going to work or not. Obviously, if it was, let's say, we got 3 billion trade based on this strategy, doesn't mean it's working strategy. So we are going to backtest this a little bit more to collect some data, and we are going to get just one eval with, maybe we will pass, maybe we will get lots of payouts based on this strategy. I don't know. We are going to get MyFundedFutures account. So basically they are on sale right now. So I'm going to get on sale as well to trade only one strategy. It's going to offer 2 setups a day. AM and PM session. PM session you are going to take without me, but you will do this. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Why not to get account to just try this, right? It's not really like for fun. It's just like to try this. It's working strategy. So why not to just have one account for one strategy? We will have only like we are going to have set of rules. We don't know how it's going to work, but we are going to follow these rules no matter what. If it's going to be winning trade or losing trade, I don't care. We are going to execute this. One MyFundedFutures account. I'm not going to get any other accounts. I would like to get MyFundedFutures. But PM, you will do exactly the same, just without me. So, okay. MyFundedFutures doesn't have any problems with payout. Yeah, I'm going to get on NinjaTrader, so yeah. We will execute on NinjaTrader. I'm going to get TradeAway version. Yeah. If I'm going to get TradeAway version, I can copy on my Epics as well. Yeah, I'm going to get TradeAway, but I'm going to execute on NinjaTrader. Honestly, I don't see any emails that Apex is running 90% off. Who said that? I don't know, guys. I cannot see this. I don't know. Anyway, I have 20 PA accounts. I have 2 evals, not past evals, so actually I don't need new evals with Apex. I mean, I'm not going to get Apex. I am funded with them. I don't need evaluations. But I can get, by the way, I can get Take Profit Trader because they running this 40% sale with no activation fee. Or I can get MyFundedFutures with the same sale and no activation fee. So I would say Take Profit Trader is better because I can make payouts daily. But I would like to try MyFundedFutures. Who is better? I don't know. Guys, I cannot execute on TradingView. That's my mental problem. Once again, why? Because, for example, I entered the trade on, let's say, on NinjaTrader. Then I would just switch on TradingView. And for example, if I see invalidation, I see invalidation. But if I execute on TradingView, I want to ignore every single invalidation simply because I am in trade. So it's distraction for me. I cannot. It's just hard for me. I always execute on my NinjaTrader to not see my executions on chart. I don't have any drawings on my NinjaTrader, but I have drawings on my TradingView. So it's mental problem. I cannot see my executions. I don't need this. What is your strategy? If you go to the description to my video, you will find, just scroll down, it calls like big letters. It caps my model. Funny, daily routine. You mean like overall daily routine? Actually, I write this on my. I cannot follow this every single day, unfortunately. But daily routine, preferable daily routine. Because of my kids, I need to wake up at 5:36 a.m. Because of my kids, not because I want to do this. Then like I'm going to do like breakfast for them. It's like my daily routine. You ask, I'm going to answer. Then we're going to daycare, to elementary school. So I have 2 kids. After this, I need to have workout. So basically, I prefer to have run. I'm running from daycare to my home. It's like 3-5 miles. I'm not sure how many miles. Then I have ice bath. So basically, I got a refrigerator from Best Buy. I put it on my garage and it's like cold water. What's the temperature? I don't know what's the temperature. I'm going to say it right now. Okay, temperature is 47 degrees right there. And I'm doing this ice bath. It's extremely cold, but I'm like, okay, Dasha, it's only 5 minutes. It's okay. It will help you in trading. Just come on, Dasha, relax. I turn on, I listen to music when I'm doing this. Then breakfast, then charts and you guys, and then I'm free to go. By the way, I'm not going to lie, guys. I started reading the book. I decided to read in Russian because I used to read books in English, but I was like, I'm going to read the book in Russian right here, and this book about self-confidence. I feel like I have problem with this, and I decided to read the book about this. And I read the half of this book. I started yesterday, and it's extremely helpful, guys. Because since I have the problem with self-confidence, I have this problem. I cannot execute every single setup that I would like because I'm like, Dasha, you don't want to execute this simply because you're not confident. Even if it's like solid setup, I still cannot execute this because I'm not confident sometimes in myself, in my ability to trade. You want to do this in Russian? Okay, of course. Can you send me a message on Twitter? I'm going to send you the name of this book. This book, how to go. I'm going to show you right now. If you understand Russian, you can read this book. Highly recommend. I extremely enjoyed this. Can you see the name? If you understand Russian, but I believe there is English version, but not sure. If you understand Russian, download this. I don't have Russian keyboard to type this. If you're interested in this book, just let me know. Send me direct message on Twitter. I had a question. Why? Actually, I tried to reply every single message. So I replied yesterday more than 15 messages. Maybe I didn't see. Can you send message again so I will see you? Okay, guys, free to go. I will see you on Tuesday. Okay, guys, leave questions for Tuesday. I want to go. I need to go to Target right now. Leave questions for Tuesday. Okay, guys, bye bye.